Good morning, students. We are doing chapter number 20, that is social problems in India. In that, we had studied about, lastly, we had studied about the general provision, then special provision, about the problems of untouchability, and then various article and provisions made for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. Now we'll move forward with a new topic in this chapter, that is terrorism, a global problem. Terrorism is not just a problem of India. Now it has become a global problem. जैसे स्पाइडर अपना जाल फैलाता है वैसे ही terrorism has got spread all over the world. So we'll study about that. Terrorism, a global problem. Okay. So in 21st century, terrorism has become a problem for human society. It is a global problem. What does mean by global problem? The problem which is affecting the whole world, like corona. Okay, corona को pandemic इसलिए कहते हैं because the whole world has been affected by this. So it is a global problem like that. Terrorism is a global problem. Terrorism leads to destruction of human rights, bloodshed, destruction, fear, chaos, violence, unrest, etc. Although terrorism has no connection with any religion or sect, yet by linking terrorism with religion, terrorists are getting indulged in cowardice and hateful act. Fine. Terrorism or religion ko there is no connection between these two things. But then too in the name of religion, people do go on doing terrorist activities. Okay, these people are just are coward people. They don't like to live and they don't want other to live happily. This is the only thing they want. Terrorism is hindrance in the progress of nation. Of course, it's a big hindrance in the progress of nation. Terrorism is related to violence, which openly violates the principle of live and let live. It is very true. Neither they want to live and neither they want other people to live. ओके बिना कोई रीज़न के वो लोग लोगों को मार देते हैं. उनको कुछ उनसे फ़ायदा होने वाला नहीं है. जस्ट सिर्फ अपना डर बैठाने के लिए वो दूसरे लोगों को मार देते हैं. Terrorism is an organized, planned, and deliberate violent act. Terrorists are engaged in violent activities like suicide attack, we all know that, then throwing bomb, hiding weapons and using them, kidnapping, hijacking of plane, suicide attack, smuggling of narcotic drugs, etc. If you have seen the movie बेबी मूवी या तो फिर वेनसडे मूवी अगर आप लोगों ने देखी हो तो आपको मतलब दे आर गिविंग सेम आइडिया. सुसाइड अटैक कर लेते हैं बिना कोई रीज़न के. सुसाइड अटैक करते हैं और खुद तो मरते ही साथ में दूसरों को भी मारते जाते हैं. ओके, हाइडिंग ऑफ वेपन्स इन यूजिंग देम. सो दीज आर द थिंग्स विच दिस टेररिस्ट डू. नाउ हियर इज अ table of the countries which are badly affected by terrorism. This is a 2020 global terrorism index. Okay, so अफ़गानिस्तान हमारे नेबर का नेबर. वैसे तो हमारा भी नेबर है. दिस इज स्मॉल बाउंड्री कनेक्टिंग इंडिया एंड अफ़गानिस्तान ऑल्सो, बट अफ़गानिस्तान and Pakistan have a large boundary sharing. So Afghanistan is a country which is affected badly, very very badly by terrorism. If you read about Afghanistan and the period before 20 years, you will come to know what type of country it was. भयानक, दुनिया की सबसे अगर भयानक कंट्री हो तो वो थी अफ़गानिस्तान. इवन टुडे इट इज़ सो, बट बिफोर 20 ईयर्स और 15 ईयर्स तालिबान ने पूरा कैप्चर कर लिया था. एंड वो मतलब कहीं पर भी वेर एवर यू सी दिस पीपल यूज टू कम विद गन्स एंड मतलब पूरी कंट्री तबाह हो गई थी. दैन इराक इज़ ऑल्सो एन एशियन कंट्री. गल्फ एरिया में आता है इराक. Nigeria is an African country. Syria, Asian country. Somalia, African country. Somalia is also known as country of horns. Then Yemen is Asian country, neighbor of Oman. Then Pakistan हमारा पड़ोसी है और हम सबको पता है that how much terrorist activities this country do, especially on India. And then comes India. We are one of the most badly affected country by terrorism. Without any due reason, we are the people who are suffering the most because of this terrorist. So this is the whole list of the country. Not whole list, I have taken just top 20 countries. It was a big list. So these are the countries which are badly affected by terrorism. Next comes, see, these are the big events which had happened. Not good, मतलब not these are events but these are not good. Okay, These are the big attacks which had happened in the world in various countries. Now ये photo बहुत ही पुराना है, but then too it is a very known photo. Two big planes had come and they have just crashed with this, इसको कहते twin tower. this is this were one of the biggest buildings in America. And on 9/11 9 September 2001 अचानक से कहीं से दो प्लेन आए and they just went inside this building. Number of people have died in this not accident, it was not an accident, it was a deliberate accident done purposely by Osama bin, matlab not only he was, but he was mastermind behind this whole incident. Osama bin Laden, if you know the name. Here is about इसराइल की टीम को ओलंपिक्स के टाइम में उनके खिलाड़ी को मार दिया गया था. ओके, इन म्यूनिच इज सिटी इन जर्मनी. सो ओवर देल पैलेस्टीन लोगों ने आके उन लोगों को, उनके खिलाड़ियों को मार दिया था. दैन कम्स दिस ताज होटल. वी ऑल नो अबाउट दिस होटल. इट इज़ इन मुंबई नियर गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया. And it was captured by terrorists from Pakistan. They have captured the whole hotel and काफ़ी सारे nearly 2 days or 3 days तक ये पूरा एक्सीडेंट चला था. इफ़ यू हैव सीन द मुंबई दैट इस पूरे इंसिडेंट पे एक मूवी भी बनी है. In that movie they had shown also Kasab. Then the one who was captured in this whole incident was Kasab, and then he was given death sentence by Indian government. Okay, then comes this you all know about Pulwama attack. Happened before 2 years, nearly before 2 years, 14th February 2019. Indian के army के लोग, they were just going on a route and a whole car full of explosion had done this event. Then comes this 13th December 2001. Okay, इंडियन पार्लियामेंट पर अटैक हुआ था. टेररिस्ट जस्ट went inside the Indian Parliament. It is a very strict checking over there, but somehow they were able to get inside over there, and they just started shooting. Open fire उन्होंने शुरू कर दिया था. None of our minister were killed in this, but हमारे काफ़ी शायद 7 to 8 soldiers and guards over there, they got killed in this accident. Then comes this. This is one of the biggest thing ever happened in India, and one of the thing which is we can say as a country it is shameful for us also. 24 December 1999 हमारा पूरा प्लेन इंडिया नेपाल की फ़्लाइट को पूरा हाईजैक कर लिया गया था. There were nearly 188 passengers in this plane, and this plane was hijacked it was a flight from Kathmandu to Delhi, and it was hijacked and then went to Kandahar. और because of this accident हम लोगों को 4 बड़े आतंकवादी जो इंडिया की आर्मी ने बहुत मुश्किल से पकड़े थे उनको छोड़ देना पड़ा था. ओके, सो दिस हैपेंड इन 1999. Then comes 1993 बॉम्बे बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट, जिसको संजय दत्त को जिसकी वजह से जेल हुई थी. दाऊद का नाम एवरी वन ऑफ यू नो अबाउट दिस. ओके, सो दाऊद इब्राहिम ने ये पूरी थिंग बॉम्बे बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट 13 ब्लास्ट हुए थे मुंबई में, पूरे मुंबई में उस दिन. सो इट इज़ अबाउट दैट. एंड दिस इज 2 जनवरी 2016 पठानकोट. इसके ऊपर भी शायद मूवी बनी थी. इंडियन आर्मी बेस पे या एयरफोर्स बेस पे they had just killed the army base, number of soldiers over there. So these are some of the big terrorist activities happened in India and also some of in world. So what is the difference between rebellion and terrorism in India? See, this is the difference between rebellion and terrorism. वो बहुत ही thin difference है. वो said like that the line between terrorism and rebellion is very thin. रेबिलियन का मतलब होता है विद्रोह करना. इफ समथिंग इज हैपनिंग रॉन्ग विथ यू एंड देन बिकॉज ऑफ दैट इफ यू डू समथिंग, मतलब अपोज करते हो then these are called rebellions. That movie is also that Rebel, Prabhas ki that movie. Okay, but terrorism is when no one is doing any harm to you, and then to without any reason you are just punishing a person, then that is terrorism. रेबेलियन इज़ अ नेशनल प्रॉब्लम. ऑलवेज रेबेलियन कंट्री के लिए होते हैं. उनको अपनी कंट्री के सरकार से, अपनी अपनी सोसाइटी से कुछ प्रॉब्लम होती है. दैट्स वाई दे डू सच एक्टिविटीज़. इट इज़ अ ग्लोबल प्रॉब्लम. इट इज़ स्प्रेड ऑन अ रीजनल लेवल अगेंस्ट ओन गवर्नमेंट. इट इज़ आइदर अगेंस्ट ओन कंट्री और एट अगेंस्ट अदर कंट्रीज. ओके, terrorism अपने जैसे कि we are badly affected by Pakistani terrorist. Okay, so it can be for own country also, for other country also. It is spread at international level. It is carried out with the help of local people. They may or may not get local support. Development of state is suffering from problem of rebellion is hinder, and development of country suffering from terrorism is hinder. यहाँ पे स्टेट अफेक्ट होता है, यहाँ पे स्टेट अफेक्ट होता है, यहाँ पे कंट्री अफेक्ट होती है पूरी. नाउ कम्स नक्सलिस्ट मूवमेंट. ओके, नक्सलवादी. दिस आर द पीपल जिसको हम नक्सलवादी के नाम से जान जाते हैं. दिस पीपल आर, दे लिव इन अ ट्राइबल एरिया, इन फॉरेस्ट एरिया, एंड दे हार्म आवर आर्मी or our military very badly. Okay, inspired by the Chinese Revolution under the leadership of Mao Zedong, some Naxalists started this insurgency in India for the first time in 1967 in West Bengal. Okay, this fierce ideology is called Naxalism because it is originated in the village Naxalbari in West Bengal. उसको नक्सलवादी क्यों, नक्सलिज्म क्यों कहा जाता है? Because it originated in a village in West Bengal. नक्सलबारी नाम का विलेज था, वहाँ से ये शुरू हुआ था. With its beginning in West Bengal, it has spread now in Jharkhand, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Kerala, Odisha, Tripura, Madhya Pradesh, mountainous and forest region. As I told you, these people live in tribal areas and forest में रहते हैं और वहाँ से अटैक करते हैं. There are two major organisms, that is People's War Group and Maoist Communist Center. इनमें भी ग्रुप है, एक है People's War Group and एक है Maoist Communist Center. If you have seen that movie पान सिंह तोमर, okay, that movie got national award. इरफान खान की वो मूवी है, that is one of nice movie to see. okay, in that इसमें नक्सलवादी के बारे में ही कहा गया है. ओके, वो स्टोरी तो वैसे पान सिंह तोमर की है, बट इन दैट दे हैव shown that how this people function. Okay, so see that movie sometime if you get chance. Then comes insurgents in northeast. Northeast मतलब the northeastern state. Since independence, the insurgency in northeastern India has been perennial problem for India. Some factors which stimulate insurgency are many tribal communities, hilly and forested landscape, mutual cooperation among militant group, international boundary at few places, and indulgence of foreign agencies, etc. Now, northeast matlab the countries like the states like Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, whole eastern state you can say, and even including Jharkhand also. Now the problem is this: all of these states are out of tribal community. वो जाति अपने अपने कबीले होते हैं और दे जस्ट फाइट बिकॉज ऑफ देयर ओन ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल. वहाँ पे यही सब प्रॉब्लम्स सबसे ज़्यादा हैं. सो देयर इज़ फाइट फॉर हिली एरियाज, मतलब एरिया के लिए फ़ाइट होती है, देन अपनी कम्युनिटी के लिए फ़ाइट होती है. Number of things happen like this, and even there are some problem because of international boundary. We have on this side we share our boundary with China, with Myanmar, and with Bangladesh. So next comes, see now, this is rebellion organization. I said you it is of the eastern state. First comes Nagaland, then Manipur, then Tripura and Assam, and these are organization, rebellion organization working. So Assam NSC, that is National Socialist Community of Council of Assam. KNF and KNA are of Manipur. Kuki, that is a वो जनजाति जिसको कहते हैं, वो मणिपुर की एक जनजाति है. तो कुकी नेशनल फ्रंट एंड कुकी नेशनल आर्मी. देन कम्स त्रिपुरा. इट इज़ अ स्मॉल स्टेट बिलो मेघालय. मेघालय के नीचे आता है त्रिपुरा. सो NLFT, that is NLFT, National Liberation Front of Tripura, ATTF, All Tripura Tiger Force, and TUJS, Tripura Ujpati Jhupa Samiti. Then comes Assam, ULFA, UMF, NDFB, and BLTF. So these are the various people fighting for their own community and own land. This rebellion organization have been struggling for the demand of separate state to secure their own political economic interests or on the question of illegal immigration. So because of it, economic, social, administrative and political system are damaged. या तो ये अपना एरिया के लिए झगड़ते रहते हैं, दिस माउंटेन इज आर एंड दिस माउंटेन इज आर, और दे विल फाइट फॉर देयर ओन कम्युनिटी. ओके, नाउ बोडो, ये जो है BLTF, दैट इज बोडो Land Liberation Tiger Force. These people are fighting from many years to make a new state, that is Bodoland. ये बोडो एक कम्युनिटी है ऑफ आसाम, एंड वंस बिफोर, आई थिंक बिफोर 7, 8 or 9 years, there was a huge riots in Assam because of this Bodo community. Okay, these people were fighting for land or for separate state. Then comes terrorism in Kashmir. Now this is very much known to all of us. टेररिज्म इन कश्मीर, यू कैन से कश्मीर का सिनोनिम शायद टेररिज्म बन गया होगा अब हमारे लिए, छोटे बच्चों के लिए तो बन ही गया होगा. सो इंडिया बिकेम इंडिपेंडेंट ऑन 15 August 1947. Two separate nations, India and Pakistan, were formed. Pakistan had captured some part of Kashmir after independence. Yes, in 1948 पाकिस्तान ने अचानक से कश्मीर पर हमला किया था और हमारा काफ़ी सारा रीजन कैप्चर कर लिया था, जिसको हम POK कहते हैं और वो आज़ाद कश्मीर कहता है. ओके, Jammu and Kashmir is an integral part of India. Still, Pakistan tries to capture it every now and then. पाकिस्तान ने हमारे साथ आज तक 4 वॉर की है, चारों की चारों वो हारा है और हर बार वो जम्मू कश्मीर के नाम पर ही वॉर करता है. It has even fought wars for this, and in every war India has inflicted a humiliating defeat to it. Yes, इसके लिए एज ए सेड पाकिस्तान इसके लिए हमारे साथ काफ़ी बार वॉर भी की है, बट हर बार वो हारा है. द ईयर 1965, फर्स्ट इंडो पाक, एक्चुअली इट वाज 1948 जब सबसे पहले हमला हुआ था. देन इन 1965, इन 1948 पर भी हम लोग जीते थे. 1965 वो वॉर भी हम लोग जीते थे. 1971 इंडिया पाकिस्तान वॉर. At that time also Pakistan claimed that they had won the war, and India claims that India has won the war, but actually peace treaty sign up हुई थी that time. Then in 1999 Kargil war, in which Pakistan was badly हारा था उनकी, मतलब बहुत ही ख़राब हार उनकी हुई थी. Okay, so terrorism has increased in Kashmir after 1988. 1988 के बाद से कश्मीर में बहुत ज़्यादा टेररिज्म हो गया है. इट इज़ लाइक अ प्रॉक्सी वॉर स्टार्टेड बाय पाकिस्तान. द टेररिस्ट हैव टेरराइज्ड पीपल by kidnapping, murders, bomb explosion, etc. to fulfill their motives. As a result of this, families of many Kashmiri Pandits had to migrate. Yes, many Kashmiri Pandits, बहुत ही ज़्यादा उन लोगों के साथ बुरा व्यवहार तब हुआ था, उनको ज़िंदा जला दिया जाता था और काफ़ी सारे लोग पूरा कश्मीर छोड़ के यहाँ पे आ गए थे. Known Kashmiri Pandits are like Anupam Kher is Kashmiri Pandit, then Suresh Raina, वो भी कश्मीरी पंडित है. So thousands of families are living as refugees outside Kashmir. Terrorism in Kashmir is supported from cross border. Yes, as I told you, Pakistan is supporting terrorism very much. It is like a proxy war started by Pakistan. The intention of terrorists is to create fear and instability in India. India is determined to face them firmly. India opposes terrorism not only in India but also anywhere, in any form and at any time. In order to end terrorism, soldiers of India have accepted martyrdom. Yes, number of soldiers are dying every day to save our country from this terrorist activities. Next comes just a second. Social effect of terrorism. Terrorism leads to disintegration of nation. Terrorism creates feeling of fear and suspicion among the people because of the activities like fear, robbery, violence, etc. Its effect is felt in all age group. Education suffers adversely in terrorism affected area. This is very true. सबसे ज़्यादा affect होता है education को, okay? और even we do not trust the people of that area. Particularly if any one of us go to Kashmir, okay? Kashmir is one of the best place nature has ever made. बट द थिंग इज़ दैट देर इज़ नो सिक्योरिटी ओवर देर. कभी भी कहीं पर भी कुछ भी अटैक हो सकता है. इट इज़ नॉट सो दैट इट इज़ हैपनिंग, बट पीपल हैव सच टाइप ऑफ fear to go to Kashmir. As a result of terrorism, mutual faith and feeling of brotherhood diminish. Many a times it leads to communal conflict and social arrangement are shred into fragment. Chaos and unrest is generated in the society. People cannot celebrate social function with enthusiasm. As a result of it, interrelation connecting people are disrupted. Yes, of course it is that there is problem and tension even in the state itself, and even in between the relations of two people. Next comes economic impact of terrorism. Because of terrorism, conducive atmosphere of development of business and industry is not created. So the business and trade relation are adversely affected. Due to negative effect on business and industry, people migrate to other place. क्योंकि यहाँ पे if at all government or any person try to develop something, there is no guarantee that it will be safe next day. At any time, because of this terrorist activity, they can suffer a great loss, a huge loss. So no one dares to go in that area. Some terrorist organization extract money from rich industrialists, employees and businessmen. खंडनी जिसको हम कहते हैं. Then comes terrorists are engaged in anti-social activities like drug trafficking and black money. As a result of it, social economic problem is created in the country. Terrorists destroy railway station, roads, bridges, and other government offices, etc. Crores of rupees have been spent to re-establish them. हमारा बहुत ज़्यादा फाइनेंशियली हमें लॉस होता है. मिशन कश्मीर अगर आप लोगों ने पिक्चर देखी होगी ऋतिक रोशन की, दैन दे जस्ट ब्लास्ट द रेडियो स्टेशन. ओके, ये सब चीज़ें बनाने में बहुत पैसे खर्च हुए होते हैं. और देन अगेन आफ्टर डिस्ट्रॉइंग इट अगेन country has to invest their money in these projects. So it's a great loss of money. Government has to spend crores of rupees for safety and protection. As a result of terrorism, state and national transport industry, tourism industry have to suffer a great loss. सबसे ज़्यादा affect होता है tourism. Thus, terrorism is socially as well as is economically harmful. Thus, it is necessary to solve this problem. Okay. So this chapter is finished over here. We'll just see the MCQs. Just a second. First, on what is India's social structure based? हमारा social structure based है casteism पर. Second, on which basis is the schedule caste decided? Schedule caste किस बेस पे डिसाइड होती है? Untouchability पे, religion पे या sect पे? None of this. The answer is none of this. Then, under which article of the constitution untouchability has been eradicated? Under article 17. And which of the following is a global problem? Terrorism is a global problem. Okay, just a second. I will take this. Okay, brush. Yes, so first answer is casteism, then second is none of this, then comes article 17, and last comes terrorism. Okay, so this chapter is over here. No, there is still one MCQ. Just a second. Match the following and choose the correct alternative. Okay, त्रिपुरा में कौन सा है? ATTF या कौन सा आता है? Yes, त्रिपुरा में आता है ATTF. Then अरे why it is like this? I have not done. Okay, just a second. Okay, fine. Then मणिपुर में आता है कुकी नेशनल फ्रंट. नागालैंड में आता है एन से स्टार्ट होता है वो. एंड आसाम में आता है उल्फा. Okay, so answer is this C. So this chapter is finished over here. Learn this chapter properly. Thank you.